guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. So today I just wanted to sit on the floor. I don't know, I just felt like sitting on the floor today. And I'm gonna do a Fit Girls Christmas guide. So this could be for your friend, yourself, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, anything. These are all like really good gifts for someone who's into fitness. So I do at-home fitness, so this is kind of more relevant to people who do at-home fitness, or if they're wanting to get into it, or just in case of another lockdown. So a really good gift is dumbbells. So these are actually 12 pounds that my husband got me for Christmas, but he gave them to me early. Dumbbells are expensive. They're very expensive. So I needed 12 pounds. I wanted 20 also, but we didn't get them the other day, so I'm hoping that I still get those for Christmas. But they're really expensive, and they're kind of a pain because you need them, because my 8s were too light, my 15s are too heavy for some things. Or no, sorry, my 10s were too light. But I still really wanted like the in-between, but I really didn't want to buy them myself. So great Christmas presents for people who do at-home workouts. Find out which weights they need just to add to their collection, and you have these forever. So that's a great Christmas present for someone who is into at-home fitness. Next is protein powder. Either their favorite protein powder when they want to try a really good one. This is not a good one. Like, it tastes good, but it's not like a quality one. But it's just again, this is kind of like the theme here, one of those things that you need but like you don't want to buy on your own. So protein powder or pre-workout. This is the iPrep Fruit Punch. This is great for a stocking stuffer. Just throw this in their stocking, and then they'll have their favorite pre-workout for Christmas. And then again, protein bars. These are also expensive, so another great little gift or stocking stuffer. You could buy a box and like distribute them, or give them the whole box. So I also would not recommend Built Bars. I do not like them, but I like them, but I don't like how chewy they are. But some people really love them, so maybe your person really likes these, but they were not for me. But so protein bars, protein powder, pre-workout, all the goodies. It's a great stocking stuffer or present. Next would be dry shampoo. Every gym girl needs some dry shampoo. This is actually like a travel size, so it's small, and I'm pretty sure I got this at the dollar store. So really good stocking stuffer is dry shampoo, and a travel size if they go to the gym or just for traveling. And a good gift or stocking stuffer would be the full size, because some of these are like $30 for a bottle. So that would be a great present for someone, and they wouldn't have to buy it themselves, or if they wanted to try out a more high-end one and they usually buy drugstore. Like I have this Dove one right here, but this was an unscented one actually, because when I worked in the schools, people were super sensitive to smells that I worked with. So I got the fragrance-free one because someone actually called me out on it one day when I had it. I'm like, my hair was so greasy, like I didn't have a choice. So I ended up getting the fragrance-free one so that no one had issues. Claw clips. Great little stocking stuffer. I got this pack off Amazon. I think it was 5 for $10 or $15, maybe $20, but I love them. They're really good quality. None of mine have broke yet, which is crazy because the clips that I used to buy like years ago, they would always break. These little things would break off. So really good gift for people to keep their hair up. Fake tan, another thing that the good ones are really expensive. So if your person loves to fake tan or want to try it out, this one is so good. It's the Bondi Sands Self Tanning Mousse in Ultra Dark, and I got this only because it was on clearance one day at the store, and I was like, might as well try it. So glad I did. It's so good. Saint Tropez is another good one, and they're like 40-50 bucks a bottle. So if you want to give someone the gift of being bronzed, which I love being bronzed, then this is great. And make sure you get them a mitt with it, because hands, you can't use your hands, you need a mitt. So get them a mitt. They're like $8 maybe, and that's a great present for somebody. And gym clothes. Now this is like really personal, because I know some people are super picky with their gym clothes. So here's a great thing for basically anyone. These are the Align tanks from Lululemon. I love these. They're so good. They're so good for the summer to wear undershirts as a bra. They have a built-in bra, so you don't have to wear another bra underneath, and they are really flattering. And again, these are like, I want to say $70 each, so really good present. They come in so many colors, and so if they already have a few, you can probably find a color they don't have. So this is the green one, although it looks pretty black, but I have the black and the green. So yeah, you could get them a few colors, just one color, or you could look on Amazon, because they have different sports shirt bras. This one is the Lemedy sports bra. I love this one too. I love the color of this. I wear this one all the time, and this one was, I think, $20 or $30, so it's like half the price, but it's really cute. And like I said, like, you have to be careful with gym clothes, because I feel like some people are really picky, or they only like one brand. But you can't really go wrong with Lululemon, I find, and I think they have a really good return policy, so they could return it and get something they want there. But Lululemon is something that's expensive and really good gift, because again, it's not something that someone would buy themselves. Well, I know some people do, but like, if there's someone who doesn't like to spend a lot of money on themselves, this is a perfect gift. And then along with that is a new bag. So this is the Lululemon bag. I don't remember what it's called. This is a few years old now, but I got it, I think it was the Weekender bag, and it has I don't know if they make this anymore, actually. I haven't really looked. It has so many pockets, so many pockets. I will say that the inside doesn't really fit a lot. It looks like it fits a lot, but then it doesn't. So I don't use this too often because I don't go to the gym. But really good quality bag. It has never like broke or anything. Lots and lots of pockets. So cute in the inside. And something like this would be a really good gift. A nice quality bag. And I did ask for the what's that bag called? Just going out quickly and you don't want to bring like a purse or something, you can bring this bag, but I think I'll mostly use it when I'm walking the dog. It's the Everywhere belt bag, and it's $40, and it comes in lots of colors now, I believe. Oh my gosh, yes, 17. But I just want the black. I don't know if I would use another color. I just like black. I love everything black. So a bag, a Lululemon backpack. If someone got me a Lululemon backpack, I would be like so happy. They have really cute backpacks too. So a bag, a backpack, the Everywhere belt bag. If you're just wanting to spend like $40, you can get them that. And then the last thing is a Fitbit or an Apple Watch if you're really looking to impress. But my husband actually got me this Fitbit 2 years ago, I believe, and I love it. I love it for tracking my workouts. Obviously, it's really personal which Fitbit you want, and I'm sure people probably want the Apple Watch, but I would love an Apple Watch. But the Fitbit is a really good alternative, way cheaper. So it's like $120, I think, on Black Friday. My husband got it, and it does the job for me, but the Apple Watches can go up to like $1,000. I was looking the other day, and I'm like, whoa, like, I don't know, like, they are really cool, but the chances of losing them for me are pretty high. So I'm really happy with my Fitbit, and again, it's a more affordable option for somebody who wants to just count their steps, their sleep, their exercise, which is what I use it for. And I like the time, and when I was working, I would love it for getting my messages. You can't respond on the one that I have, so that was like the one thing I would change, is that I could respond, but I still like to be able to see what someone said to me. So, or if someone's calling me, I can see who it is too, but I can't like answer or anything. So that is my Christmas gift guide, Fit Girl gift guide, and I hope that gave someone some ideas, or maybe something that you want for yourself in here, because we all know that Christmas is also like a time where you go shopping and then you end up buying stuff for yourself, because that's literally what happened to me today with this sweater. I went into a store to find a present for my husband, and then I was like, oh, that's so cute. So then I bought myself a sweater. Anyways, stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas, and thanks for stopping in, and I hope you have a great day.